Good morning. Today we would be giving a presentation on web programming project in which we have made an interface for a website that sells books online. So we felt the need that we need to present all-time favorite books in an extraordinary way so that the user is compelled to read these books. Like these books needs to be presented in a more ornated way and needs to have more pictorial representation to it. In other words, we want the user to feel the script rather than just reading it. Here's the overall description of the project. So just like any other website, we have our logo, navigation bar, the banner, main content section, and the footer. So the navigation bar is going to contain different categories of books. Upon clicking on a specific category, you will be redirected to a page that contains books of same category. And the main page is going to display the bestseller books. So when you're going to click on any of these books, a pop-up is going to display on the screen that will contain the summary of that specific book. And also we have added some transition and animation effects, which makes the books look as if they are floating. Another, we have added, so if you're going to go to the contact us section, we have provided the Google Map option. We have also provided the phone number and address. So here's a simple use case diagram of the project. Some extra features that we have added to our project. The very first one is Google Maps. So for adding a Google Map to your project, first of all, you need to find the specific location on the Google Map. Then you have to click on the share option. Upon clicking on share option, you will be provided with two options, send a link and embed a map. Clicking on embed a map, you will be provided with this HTML code that you have to copy and paste to your HTML file. You will also be able to control the size of your map, whether you want a small map, medium map, large, or customized map. So here's how we have done it. Simply copy and paste the code that you have been provided with. Again, the next important extra feature that we have added is Google Fonts. Google Fonts, again, is a large repository of the font families that you can use in your project. And also you have the advantage of maintaining the same font throughout your project. So click on any font family that you like. You will be provided with different styles of the same font family. Click on any one you like. You will be provided with the code that you have to, the link that you have to copy paste to your HTML file. And here's the link that you have to copy paste to your CSS file. And this specific part you have to copy paste to your body. So here's how we have done it. You can clearly see how we have copy pasted these files, these links to our HTML and CSS files. Another last important extra feature that we have added is adding a YouTube video. So this is going to save you from the pain of first downloading the video and then adding it to your HTML page. You simply have to go to the YouTube and find your favorite video that you want to be added to your website. Simply click on share button that you can clearly see with the likes and dislikes. Again, you will be provided with a number of options. Click on embed. Upon clicking on embed, you will be again provided with a code, an HTML code that you have to copy and paste into your HTML file just the way we have done it. We've simply copy pasted this code within a specific div. One interesting feature that you have is that you can start the video from the point you want the video to be started. So you can also control that. So that's all on my behalf. Now I would be asking my group member to come and proceed with the demonstration of the project and some transition explanation of some transition elements as well.
Okay, thank you, Samana. We also have some cool features which makes the website look more interactive, so that maybe the user will be able to enjoy the stay on the website. We on hovering on a book, we have some transition effects. This transition effect we just make the book seem sort of like it's flying away, so that the users get a more interactive website Upon clicking the book, we have a pop-up, which is a modal pop-up. Basically, the code is simply saying it will be hidden before, and when you click on the target, it will it will then change its visibility to visible. So that's all that is happening. So it's a pop-up. So we have some pop-up code, some more pop-up code. You can then be able to close by just closing. You are just hiding the the pop-up again. So we also have some typing animations, which is another interesting thing that we have added on the website. So on the contact page, it will show some typing animations on the contact and on the address as well, and some gifs showing some bit of transition so that the user enjoys the stay on the website. We are going to go through a demonstration. We'll do a demonstration. Okay, so this is how the website is looking like. We have the links on the top. We have we also have the video that we were talking about. We also have the books that we were talking about. There's also this transition effect upon hovering on a book. And when you click on each book, you get a pop-up. So yeah, that's more like it. You can also be able to play the video and be able to see what's happening, and you can go on the contacts page and see all the animations, the typing animations, how the website is looking, and when you click on the horror part, what a section of the movies, you get to see the books. I guess that is all from our presentation. Thank you very much.